Today we have chicken Alfredo with fried zucchini. So the first thing I'm going to make is the Alfredo sauce here, and I've got a bit of olive oil and I sauteed some onions. I add a little bit of butter, some garlic, and then I used half and half just because I didn't have heavy cream. I just had to reduce it down a little bit longer. You could use either one though. You just want to reduce that half and half down for a little bit till it kind of coats a spoon. So I'm adding a little bit of red pepper flakes here, which is not traditional and you don't need. So once I've got the sauce down to the right consistency, I add some black pepper, and in this case I'm using Pecorino Romano cheese. So for the fried zucchini, I've cut it into 1/4 inch round and I've lightly floured it on a plate. Then you're going to take some panko breadcrumbs. I have some garlic salt, some onion powder, and this is an Indian hot pepper, but you could use cayenne or whatever you want. And a little bit of flour, and then I forgot to shoot this, but some more Pecorino Romano cheese. So I've taken the chicken breasts and they just are coated in oil and seasoned. They're in a hot skillet. I'm adding some Italian seasoning, and I'm just going to sear them on each side, and then I'm going to put about a cup of water. I put water in here, but I ended up putting some more because I didn't have enough. And you're just going to let that simmer until all the liquid is gone. Then you're going to take that chicken, set it aside, and any juice that's left in the pan, pour on top of the chicken and let it rest for a while. So the next part, you're going to take some eggs and beat those up, and then you're just going to simply bread the zucchini that you have, and then you're going to deep fry that. You can use a deep fryer or a pan with just oil in it. This is what they'll look like when they're done. The last thing is to assemble this. So I've sliced the chicken, I've put the Alfredo sauce on, then I kind of stacked up the zucchini and garnished it off with a little basil. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.